If there are no characters on the screen of DTR Series devices, it means the battery is dead. Now I will show you how to change the battery. We will do it together. This is our device. As you can see, there are no characters on the screen. We have taken our device in our hands like this. To remove the bottom cover of our device, we insert our fine-tipped screwdriver into the gaps at the edges, as you can see, and we pry it open. We pried it loose and removed the bottom cover of our device. The underside of our device looks like this. Then, when we gently tap our device on the table to remove the lower board, the board will already come into our hands. Our device consists of two boards, lower and upper board. There is a flat cable that connects the lower and upper boards. We need to be careful not to move the flat cable too much. Then, we will take the proper position to remove the battery from our device. We have taken our radio. Our battery has two legs. We heated it from here and removed one leg. We are removing the other leg. As you can see, we will clean holes on the board. We added a bit of solder. It will be easier for us to remove it. With the help of our pump, we can also see that the battery is dead from here. We are measuring with our metric. The battery we removed, blue battery, shows 0.26. So we can say it's dead at 0. Our new battery, as you can see, should be 3.6 volts. The board is marked with plus and minus. It is also marked with plus and minus on the battery. Let's pay attention to this. Let's not put it on the wrong way. We held it with our hand. We soldered our legs. We are securing our board in place. Characters are appearing on the screen like this. Whenever you touch any button, it will appear on the main screen. As you can see, now, we will set the date and time. We are holding the set button for 3 seconds. The program is coming. We will go to the time setting in the menu. From the program, our date is today, 30/12/2019. We can change the numbers using the up and down buttons. We have set our date. Now, warning is coming up because the date has changed. By pressing the down button, we will enter the century and our setting within the time menu. Our time is 15. We are moving forward by setting it 50. Let's set our minutes. 00. Our minutes are set. It's the last second. The seconds are completely up to you. You can either reset it or you can skip by setting it. The time on our device has also changed. By pressing the normal ESC, we return to the main screen of our device.